Hi, lovelies. What's up? What's up? So it's a new month, and I have to do my maintenance, my beauty maintenance for the month. So I have to get my hair done, my nails, lashes, and all that, waxing and all that. So today, my waxing lady came around. It was like home service. So she came around. She has done my waxing, and I've gone. So I want to go and do my hair because my hair is something else. I even have to tie it because it's really really bad. So I'm going to get my hair done. So then my pedicurist and sorry, my nail technician will be coming later to get my nails done, my lashes and all that. So guys, I want to walk you through my maintenance for this month. So let's go, guys. I don't want to waste your time.
Okay, guys. As you can see here, I'm getting my braids out. It's been long; it's over a month, so you can even see that they are very, very dirty. But the lady is taking out my braids, so we are losing it before I wash and do other things. So that's it, guys. So, guys, they are done with taking out the braids, and now they are trying to detangle the hair, because you know how braids can, when they stay for a long time, like the roots will be tangled. So she was trying to detangle it before she washes my hair. So after detangling it, I wash my hair. My hair is so dirty, like very, very, very dirty, very, very. That's what I'm trying to show you guys here. So dirty. We are done washing my hair, and now we're trying to cut the hair because I'm doing like gel up. So she's trying to part it for the style. So that's what she's trying to do. And after now, you see her like gelling it section by section, so the gel is flat. So she's trying to create the design right there. So you're going to see her gelling it like she cuts and gel it, cuts and gel, so that it's going to lay down very, very flat. So I was just trying to tell her that I want the C cut very well. So that's it. So now she's using like a thread to tie the back where the ribbon is going to be fixed. So that's what she's basically doing. So she pats the hair gel before she gel, like she'll do that till she gels everything, so that the hair lays very, very flat. So you can see what she's doing now. So she cuts it and gel. Guys, you can see my front hair, like my front hair is chopped. So I told her to do a style that will cover it because I don't like the way it's looking. A very bad habit of plucking my hair. I don't know how I'm going to stop that, but that's it. So that's why I even did that style, so that it doesn't show. So you can see what she's doing there, guys. She's patting, gelling, combing, so it lays very, very well. So enjoy the video, guys, and I'll come back to you to see the whole process of her doing that. Couldn't film the final view of the hair, but anyways, the hair is done. You can even see it from the video. So my pedicurist or my nail technician is here, and this is like the next day. So it's also home service, so she came to fix my lashes and my nails and help me carve my eyebrows. So that's what she's trying to do here. So you see her trying to carve my eyebrow. She really did a very, very good job. I really loved the way my eyebrow turned out. And she'll be fixing my nails and my toenails. She'll be repainting my toenails were like very, very bad. So I was just telling her how I wanted it, and told her like the nails, I don't really carry long nails, but she was pushing me that I should do something a little bit longer than I usually go, which I did, and I really love the nail. I'll show you guys everything like towards the end. So right now she's just trying to carve my eyebrow fixes my eyelashes and do the nail part. So that's it, guys. So lovelies, this is the lashes I'll be using, Adele lashes individual one. I really loved the way it came. I was looking so natural. I was not so full at all. It looked so natural. I really liked it, and it's human hair.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Okay guys, so I am ready for the month. My hair is done, my nails done, I've done my pedicure, see my brows, they're all done. I did my waxing, so I'm like, my beauty routine is good for the month. Like, see, when it comes to beauty routine, I'm very minimalistic. Like, I don't even want to stress myself with a lot of things. Just the bare minimum, just to look good for the month, and I'm ready for it. So here's the end of this video, my maintenance vlog. Hope you stick around and enjoy more of my skincare videos. I'm going to leave the links of them in the description. I really appreciate it. So guys, till my next video. Bye guys.